brushing. Struggles with brushing is just one of the many struggles parents like you and me have with toddlers. To understand why brushing your toddler's teeth is such a struggle, imagine yourself on the dentist chair with your mouth wide open and a face just a few centimeters away trying to do something in your mouth. It's weird and uncomfortable, right? Plus, toddlers aren't a big fan of things being done to them. And brushing as a routine chore can be boring, which again a toddler will be tempted to resist. So, if we ask Ben, the emotions beneath this behavior could be that they feel angry, upset, irritated because they have to brush. The hidden needs could be they might be seeking power by resisting, or maybe they find it boring so they seek play. And when they want to do it themselves, they are seeking independence or evolution. What do I want to teach and achieve now and later? Well, the common struggle points with toothbrushing are transition to toothbrushing after waking up. How can you brush their teeth peacefully? They wanting to brush themselves and later on getting them to brush their teeth twice a day. These are the common struggles. As a parent, I want to make all this easy for myself and my toddler. Plus, I want my child to do it herself when she's ready. As simple as that. So, how can I best achieve my discipline goals? Before I share ideas to make brushing easier for you and your toddler, here's few basics that you must know. You can start brushing your toddler's teeth using an age appropriate toothbrush as soon as the first teeth erupt. Young toddlers will tend to swallow the toothpaste because they learn to gargle and spit much later, around 18 months or so. So make sure the toothpaste is fluoride free or check with your pediatrician to know the right one to buy for your child. Now, about introducing brushing. Make sure you have a clear and consistent routine. Like after waking up, we first brush. For little tots, say 1 year olds, model brushing. First, let them see you brush every day. Hand them an age appropriate brush saying, here, you can also brush like mama. And let them chew on it. The novelty of the whole thing makes the first introduction easy. Slowly, as your toddler grows and the novelty wears out, that's when you'll need more tools to make it happen. Here's few ideas you can try. In no particular order, choose what suits you depending on the unique situation you're facing. 1. Prep your toddler with books, stories, and videos. With that, you casually tell them why we brush, how it keeps germs away, and keeps our teeth healthy. Have a dummy brush and let them brush their dolls and show them this is how you will brush their teeth. When your toddler wakes up, you can make transition to brushing easy with a simple prep by giving them all the details. Now, when we get off the bed, we will go to the bathroom. You will stand on your step stool. I'll put toothpaste on your brush and we'll brush. Which brush do you want today, the red or the green one? Or you can make it sound exciting by talking about the new brushing game you will play today so that they allow you to brush your teeth, infuse playfulness. That's your best bet. For very little toddlers, 1 to 2 year old, singing a song or a rhyme or telling a story while brushing works well in engaging them as you brush their teeth. Making the brush talk or narrating everything that you're doing with a lot of funny expressions works too. With toddlers 3 years older, you will need some advanced games. With my daughter, every few weeks we have a new brushing game. Now she can brush herself, but I follow up and brush her teeth again for my own peace of mind. So our latest game is the opposites game. When I say ah, you do e. When I say e, you do ah. Then she invented her own version. When you say Pumba, I'll do ah. When you say Estu, that's her name. She knows it starts with E. So when you say Estu, I'll do E. Yeah, whatever. So just go with the flow and have some fun. You will find some more ideas in the section Infuse Playfulness in the Preventing Tantrums module in case you haven't checked that yet. If and when there is resistance to brushing, use a calm response. I see you don't want to brush now. You want to play. Yes, you're really excited to play and you don't want to brush. We need to brush now. How about we play a brushing game? You want to know what that is? Here, the need is play. So, channel your creative juices to invent a game in the moment. Sometimes they might just be testing the limit and seeking power. There's multiple ways to help your toddler feel involved and give them a dose of positive power. Like offer choices. Which toothbrush, red or green? Do you want to put the toothpaste or should I? Now and then. Now you brush my or the doll's teeth, then I'll brush your teeth. If they're wanting to brush on their own, now you brush your teeth, then I'll brush them. Over time, see how you can handhold them to become more and more independent with the brushing task by making the space child friendly, placing a step stool so they can reach the basin themselves, giving them a bottle of water which they can use to gargle on their own till they learn to scoop water and gargle themselves. As they grow older, say 4 years plus, you can let them take lead with a visual chart and let them tick off the brushing task every morning. Praise and appreciate their efforts descriptively. Wow, you brushed your teeth yourself. Awesome. Till your child masters his gross motor skills, you will need to follow up even after your toddler brushes himself. Remember, we want to encourage their independence, so don't pick flaws with their brushing. Rather, decide and communicate to your child beforehand in a fun way. You take out the big germs first, then I'll take out the small germs. With my daughter, we've decided morning, mama will brush your teeth, night, you can brush yourself. And yes, to encourage them to brush at night as well, be a role model and invite them. They'll join you. If not, you can use the prep and the playful tools we've discussed so far to establish that habit. So far, I've suggested ways in which you can make brushing easier for your toddler. Now, how can you make this whole chore easier for yourself? Number one, always have enough buffer time in mind. Expect some resistance, expect some time pass, or maybe a meltdown or tantrum. It will definitely happen on some days out of the 365 days. It's normal. Also, keeping some buffer time helps you take it slow. Toddlers feel anxious when we try to speed them through the task. That anxiety activates their alarm systems, meaning meltdowns and tantrums. So slow down. Look at these daily chores as moments of meaningful connection and one to one time that you get to spend with your child. Going in with that mindset helps you feel calm, which in turn helps your toddler feel calm. Finally, focus on their diet as much as you focus on their teeth. Make sure their sugar intake is regulated to protect your toddler's teeth. I know the brushing struggle can test your patience, especially as you hustle in the morning. The problem is, your toddler is really little, and that's why we do the hard work of understanding them and adapting our ways to support their needs and development. You're a great parent, and you've got this.